Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about a very common issue for dog owners, ticks. You might have come across an old household trick for removing them using Vaseline or petroleum jelly. We're going to discuss this method and, more importantly, explore why it's not the safest choice for your pet. The theory behind using Vaseline seems simple enough. The idea is to apply a thick glob of it directly onto the tick, completely covering it. This is supposed to suffocate the tick, cutting off its air supply. In theory, the tick will then detach itself from your dog's skin to escape, making for an easy and pain-free removal. However, this method is strongly discouraged by veterinarians for several critical reasons. First, it is not very effective. Ticks can survive for a long time without breathing, so you could be waiting for hours, and the tick may never back out on its own. The biggest danger, however, is that this method can actually increase the risk of disease transmission. When you try to smother a tick, it can become stressed. A stressed tick is more likely to regurgitate its stomach contents, including saliva and harmful bacteria, back into your dog's bloodstream. This saliva is what carries diseases like Lyme disease and Rocky Mountain spotted fever. So, while you're trying to help, you could accidentally be making the situation much worse. Additionally, if the Vaseline trick fails, you've made the tick and the surrounding fur greasy and slippery, which makes it very difficult to get a good grip for proper removal later. So, what is the correct and safe way to remove a tick? You should use a pair of fine-tipped tweezers or a specially designed tick removal tool. Part your dog's fur so you have a clear view. Grasp the tick as close to the skin's surface as possible. Pull upward with steady, even pressure. Do not twist or jerk the tick. This can cause the mouth parts to break off and remain in the skin. After removing the tick, clean the bite area and your hands with rubbing alcohol, an iodine scrub, or soap and water. Dispose of the live tick by putting it in alcohol, placing it in a sealed bag, or flushing it down the toilet. Always monitor the area for the next few weeks for any signs of irritation or infection. Thank you so much for watching and for wanting to keep your furry friends safe. We hope this information was helpful. If you found this guide useful, please show your support by giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel for more pet care advice. Ringing the notification bell will make sure you never miss an update. Your support allows us to keep making helpful content for all the pet parents out there.